Hello students, I hope you all are fine and taking care of your health. Today we will study chapter 6, that is the coastal plains and the islands. In this chapter we will study about the western and eastern coastal plain, Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep Islands, and the life of the people living in coastal plains. The coastal plains. India has a long coastline of about 7,600 kilometers long. The coastal plain is a strip of plain land near the sea. The Deccan Plateau is surrounded by narrow coastal plains on the eastern and the western sides. The plain along the western coast is called the Western Coastal Plain, and the plain along the eastern coast is called the Eastern Coastal Plain. Both plains meet at Kanyakumari, which is the southernmost tip of the Indian mainland. The Western Coastal Plain. The Western Coastal Plain lies between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. It extends from the Gulf of Kutch in the north to Kanyakumari in the south. It has a wet and humid climate. The important seaports are Kantla, Panaji, Mangalore, and Kochi. The Western Coastal Plain is divided into three parts, that is Gujarat coast, Konkan coast, and Malabar coast. Gujarat coast. This part lies in Gujarat between Gulf of Kutch and the Gulf of Kambat. Second is Konkan coast. It extends from the Gulf of Kambat to Goa in Mumbai is the famous city and seaport of this region. Third one is Malabar coast. It extends from Goa to Kanyakumari. This coast is famous for saltwater lakes called lagoons or kayal. Kochi is the most important seaport and has a huge shipbuilding yard. Now we will study about the eastern coastal plain. It lies between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. Its width is about 150 kilometers. Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri flows through these plains. As a result, this area is very fertile. The eastern coastal plain is divided into two parts. First one is the northern circle. Vishakhapatnam is the most important port of the second is the Coromandel coast. Chennai is the third largest port of India situated here. The islands. Andaman and Nicobar Island, we will study first about Andaman and Nicobar Islands and then Lakshadweep Islands. So, Andaman Nicobar Islands are two groups of islands in Bay of Bengal. Port Blair is the capital city. Andaman Island lies to the north and the Nicobar Islands lies to the south. Both groups of islands are separated by 10-degree channel. During the British period, freedom fighters were sent in the cellular jail at Port Blair. It was called Kala Pani. Rice, maize, coconut and rubber are the main crops grown here. Now Lakshadweep Islands. The Lakshadweep Islands lie in the Arabian Sea, look like a horseshoe. Kavaratti is the capital city and it is the smallest union territory of India. Coconut is the main crop and fishing is the means of livelihood of the people here. Life in the region. First, we will study about the Gujarat. Gandhinagar is the capital city of Gujarat. Ahmedabad is the largest city of Gujarat. Anand is called the milk capital of India. And Amul, a well-known based brand of dairy products, is also based here. The Gir National Park, famous for Asiatic lion, is also situated here. The main language of Gujarat is Gujarati and popular folk dance is Garba. Men wear dhoti, kurta, coat and turban. Women wear sari, lehenga and choli. Now, next state is Maharashtra. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. It has the largest seaport of India. Petroleum is found in Bombay High, a seabed near Mumbai. It is also known as the city of dreams because of Bollywood. Now next state is Goa. It is the smallest state of India and its capital is Panaji. People of Goa are farmer or fishermen. Famous folk dance of Goa is Mando. Karnataka. Bangalore is the capital city of Karnataka. Mangalore is an important seaport. Tea and coffee plantations are located in the hill slopes of Karnataka. Next state is Kerala. It is also called God's own country. Its capital is Trivandrum. It is also called the land of coconuts. Malayalam and English are the main languages spoken here. Kathakali and Mohiniyattam are the famous classical dance form of this state. Onam is an important festival of Kerala. Now next state is West Bengal. Its capital is Kolkata. The main crops grown here are jute and rice. Durga Puja is the main festival of West Bengal. Now Odisha. Bhubaneswar is the capital of this state. The Sun Temple and Jagannath Temple are famous all over the world. Chilika Lake, the largest saltwater lake in Asia, is a major tourist attraction of Odisha. Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Farming is the main occupation of the people. Rice is grown here in abundance, and Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh is an important seaport. Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. It is surrounded by three seas: Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, and Indian Ocean. Marina Beach is the longest beach in India. Rice is the main crop, and it is also called the rice bowl of India. Now Puducherry. Puducherry is a union territory. It was at one time a French colony. The Aurobindo Ashram of Puducherry is famous worldwide. Now I hope you all have understood about all the states and the life of the people living in the coastal plains. Thank you.